Hey friends, welcome to Electros YouTube channel. I am Daniel Qureshi. Well, first you might be thinking कि ये English में क्यों बोल रहा है? More on that later. But first, so today is the 3rd year anniversary of our Electros YouTube channel, which was founded on this same day of 31st May back then in 2018. और क्या लगा था कि मैं वापस वही चश्मा पहन के आऊँगा और बोलूँगा तो कैसे हो आप लोग? Basically that was just an experimentation. That was just my first attempt to add humor into our content, and that even to just reserve for special occasions, okay, like channel anniversaries, okay. But that was definitely fun to do, and I have learned a lot from it, because honestly humor is not very simple as it sounds. It requires experience as well as skills, okay. It is definitely. So that was just my small attempt, which I hope you liked. But this time it is very different and serious, and that's why I thought it would be better to connect with you for the first time, okay. So today we will be discussing about few things. So first off, recently from the past few months I'm feeling low because due to the continual extension of this pandemic situation and lockdowns and everything, okay, just the kind of devastation that you see, educationally, then economically and medically. In fact, at the beginning I was actually happy because I thought that we all will get more time to explore ourselves and actually introspect. But now it's just feeling of being locked. And especially for students who are from applied domains like engineering, like me, and being in final year, and you already know that final year is all about your mega project or your final year project. And I personally feel that engineering is about making things, okay. So I was always interested about seeing or experiencing that final moment in engineering, that is of the final year project. And fortunately our project was even sponsored by the central government under the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan scheme. So I was very excited. So due to this pandemic, it was very hard for us to continue the project, and at least we tried our best to create our first prototype. At least it is ready, but not the complete implementation of such large scale project. So I am eagerly waiting to see when the situation will become normal again. And I hope that you all are safe, stay healthy, take all the necessary precautions. Okay, so now let me tell you why I am switching to English from Hindi as a mode of communication, as a means of communication for this channel. India is a very diverse country, which means Hindi is just not the only language which is spoken. There are 23 constitutionally recognized official languages here in India and more than 200 worldwide. So using a language which has a regional and limited set of users can become a language barrier for others. So I am happy that at least we have a common language, that is English, which can be used to communicate with people coming from different regions and different nationalities around the globe. It might seem very obvious, but trust me, it is very difficult to understand unless you have any personal global exposure. Like for me, fortunately, it was during my Thailand project experience, where I realized the true importance of a common language of communication. But yes, I accept that it is always harder to communicate in a foreign language rather than your own mother tongue, at least in the beginning. So I'll try my best to make you understand all these concepts which we'll be seeing, and we'll also switch to Hindi in between if it is required. It's also a very well-known fact that Indians are very good in English as compared to other non-English speaking countries. So I'm assuming that you will be comfortable. And let me clear this first, I'm not very much good, not very much fluent, or not very much comfortable in speaking English, but at least I can assure you that you will understand. Instead of simply ignoring my mistakes, I would appreciate if you would let me know. So bear with me. So as I said that I was running low, but there were plans as well as work going on in the background, which I'll reveal slowly one by one. I was also a little bit out of focus due to the extension of examinations as well as academics by the university. So this is all what I have to say right now, and this is also the first time that I am making such kind of video. So share your thoughts in the comments below, and thank you so much for supporting me and this channel. See you soon. Till then, bye bye.